Man injured during shooting near church in St. Elizabeth. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Elizabeth police are investigating an incident that left a man recovering from being shot near a church in the parish yesterday morning. It's reported that at around 2:45 a.m., the man was walking in the vicinity of the Prospect New Testament Church when he was attacked and shot. He was taken to hospital where he was treated. The Newmarket police are investigating the incident. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.